40 onion. Gopu went to the market. He bought a kilo of onion from the vegetable seller. Some were big, some were really tiny, some were pink, some were red, and some were almost white. He put them in a large paper packet and kept them in a corner on the floor. He was very tired, knowing that nobody was at home. He went to the living room, sat on the sofa, switched on the air conditioner, and soon fell asleep. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ಚಾಮರಾಜ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿದವರು. ಗಾಜನಲ್ಲೂರು 24 ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1929 ಎಂದು ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಸಿಂಗನಲ್ಲೂರು ಮೂಲದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ತಾಯಿಯ ಗಾಜನಲ್ಲೂರದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಮ್ಮ